Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Update Instagram to the latest build, then log out and back in to refresh feature flags. Make sure your account type and profile age meet sticker rules. Business or creator accounts sometimes differ, and region locks matter. Once done, clear app cache or reinstall if the update didn't apply. Also, toggle permission settings like microphone and camera because some stickers rely on hardware access. Doing this first prevents wasted troubleshooting later. Next, dive into the intermediate fixes that actually reveal the problem. Force close Instagram, reboot your device, and relaunch to drop stale sessions. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If stickers are region-restricted, try a trusted VPN briefly. Log into a secondary account or join the beta channel to compare sticker availability and isolate account versus app issues. If a feature flag is delayed, submitting bug feedback from settings while reproducing the missing sticker helps to finish by applying final fixes and a robust fallback plan so you can post now. If stickers still vanish, report a problem with exact steps and screenshots. Include account type and region so the team can trace logs. Meanwhile, recreate the intended interaction with GIF, text overlays, or poll stickers as a workaround. If you recently changed account settings or updated the app, make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours for backend propagation before concluding it's permanently missing. Patience often resolves it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.